Good evening. I'd like to book a room. Sure. For how many nights? Just one night. Single or double room? A single room, please. Do you need breakfast included? Yes, please. May I have your ID, please? Here it is. Thank you. Your room is 204. Great. What time is checkout? 11 a.m. tomorrow. Got it. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.